Hello guys, welcome to my channel Moneymaker001 here. Today I'm going to show you how to earn $5,000 a month from YouTube using Amazon affiliate marketing. This is going to be a really interesting video, so watch this video till the end so you can understand each and every step by step tutorial which I'm going to tell you and teach you, guide you step by step how to earn $5,000 a month using Amazon affiliate marketing on YouTube. So first of the thing is that you just have to go here and just search for best Amazon. Okay, now let's search for weird, WIERD. Okay, weird Amazon products. Just search for something like this. Okay, so now see, you will find many of this. See, these are some of the type of videos which you can find. Okay, so now let's open this one. So what these people are doing is they are just creating this type of simple videos and they are putting the Amazon links of this products which they have put in this video over here in the description. Okay, now let's just see the video. Okay, so this is the video in which they are showcasing just 7 different products which are unique on Amazon, and what they are doing is that they are giving their affiliate link in the description of this channel. And you can see this video has got almost 49,000 of views, and they are really making a good amount of money by if someone is going to buy this product. And people, those who are interested, are definitely gonna go to Amazon and buy this product. They are just using advertisements. Okay, they are just using the videos which are available on Amazon platform to advertise for this product. I'm gonna show you how you can download this type of advertisement videos. Okay, now let's just see here. See, this is one of the advertisement of the product. Okay, this is also advertisement video of this simple single product. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how to download this advertisement videos of this product. And most of the people who are giving you advertisement of this type of product won't give you any copyright strike because they want their product to be sold more. Okay, so don't worry about copyright strikes or any other things. You just have to create this type of simple compilation videos and you can start making money out of it really in an easy and simple manner. So now let's jump into the content. Okay, so we'll go to Amazon and we'll find some random product over here on Amazon. Okay, now for example, let's take this one. Does it have any video? Then this no, this product doesn't have any video, so this is not our requirement. You must find a product which has some kind of any kind of video attached to it or connected to it. Just let's see this one if it has any videos. No, this one also doesn't have any videos. Let's check out. Okay, yes, it does have a video. Okay, so what you are going to do is utilize this video. Now how you can download this video, all you have to do is just go over here, copy this entire link, just click over here and press Ctrl A and Ctrl C. That is, you have copied this link. And now what you have to do is go to this website which is known as videograbber.net and just paste this link and just download this video. Simple, all you have to do is go and click on the download button and this video will be downloaded onto your computer. And after, what you have to do is you have to download almost 10 to 20 of this type of videos. Okay, and what you have to do is create a compilation video just like this channel has created. Okay, just note down the name of this channel, which is Review Bro. Okay, now just note down the name of this channel. Okay, and what you have to do is now you just have to create compilation videos of this type of products and put in the Amazon link of this product in the description. Okay, and if someone is interested in that type of product, what they will do is they will watch your video and go to this Amazon links and buy the product. Then you will receive a commission. That is really awesome. That is really simple. Okay, so this is really a great way to make money online doing this simple stuff. Okay, most of the people are not doing this and they are not making real money out of it, but this is really something which is super easy to make money online. Okay, now you may be asking, how can I edit this type of, I will download all these videos, but how I'm gonna edit it. So the first software which you can utilize to edit this type of videos is known as KineMaster. So if you are editing videos on your smartphone or want to do this work utilizing just your smartphone, then this is the best software which you can utilize. You can find many of the KineMaster tutorials on YouTube, so just go there and learn it. Okay, you just have to learn something to earn something more. Okay, learning itself, the word learn itself contains the word on, so you have to learn how to edit and how to create this type of video. So this is a little task which you can do to make some extra money. So you can utilize the software which is KineMaster, which is available on free. Okay, and if you are using a computer, you can utilize the software which is known as OpenShot. I personally use this software to edit my videos, which you are seeing just right over here on your computer or your mobile screen. So you can use this software also to edit this type of simple videos and make money out of it. All you have to do is edit the videos and then upload it to YouTube, and just provide all your Amazon affiliate links in the description. This is really easy, this is really simple. Anyone can make money doing this simple stuff, and this type of videos are getting really tons and tons of views, so you are definitely going to make a very good amount of money out of it. So if you like my video, just press the like button. If you like my content, just press the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.